Sumi in Wonderland.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sumi in Wonderland. Hi Maia.
Hi Mama.
Hi Dada.
Hi Maia. Hi Sumi.
Today I'd like to do an animal sound game both in English and Japanese, Maia versus Dada. Who can answer these correctly and who will win the game? 動物の鳴き声を英語と日本語で正しく言えるのはマイアとダダ。どっちかな？ Let's get started. Are you ready?
Start.
Okay. Number 1. Animal sounds. What does a dog say?
Meow?
No.
Woof woof.
Oh, you got it.
Correct. 日本語で犬はなんて鳴きますか？
Run, run.
ワンワン。正解。Number 2. What does a cat say?
Moo.
Wrong.
Me. Oh no. Ouch. Oh no.
Maya? What does a cat say?
Oh wow, Maia, that was so good.
ミャオミャオ。日本語で猫はなんて鳴きますか？
ぐるぐる。
違います。違います。マヤさん、わかりますか？何ですか？ Number 3. What does a pig say?
Moo. No.
Wrong. Maya, do you know? Wrong. What is it?
Blinky. Blip.
A pig
Blippy.
says. A pig says. Say it again. Oink oink. Correct. 日本語で豚はなんて鳴きますか？
Boo boo. Oh, boo boo. Isn't that a ghost?
No, it's not. It's a pig. Boo boo. Number 4. What does a sheep say?
Meow. Oh no.
Wrong.
Moo.
Wrong.
Ruff.
あ。バーだね。バー。羊はなんて鳴きますか？ピンポーン。Number 5. What does a cow say?
I know. Toot toot.
Wrong.
Oh. Ding dong. Oh, moo. I couldn't guess that one.
日本語で牛はなんて鳴きますか？
Mo? Mossburger?
ムーとモーは似てるね。Number 6. What does a horse say?
I know. Moo.
Wrong.
Me.
Wrong.
Mama.
No. Maya, correct answer? Correct. Nay. 日本語で馬はなんて鳴きますか？
Hishing?
No.
Hishing?
そう。稲鳴きだね。Okay, number 7. What does a duck say? Correct. 日本語でアヒルはなんて鳴きますか？似てるんだよね。クワックワッ。
Quack quack.
Yes.
Honk.
Number 8. What does a mouse say?
Cheese.
Cheese. Wrong.
Orange juice. Petit tomato.
ふざけすぎ。
Oh, I couldn't guess that one.
That's right. 日本語ではネズミはなんて鳴きますか？
Cheese.
もうそれまた同じじゃん。
Japanese.
Can you guess? You don't know?
Fuji-san.
なんで富士山正解はチューチューでした。そう、チューチューでした。Okay.
上手。
The person who got the most points is... あ、カエルもやる？ Okay. Number 9. What does a frog say?
I know that. Rude bits. Honora.
おなら
Oshiri.
Ribbit. Okay. That's okay. Ribbit. Bibbit. カエルはなんて鳴きますか？ケロケロ。The person who got the most points is... Maia is the winner! Thank you for watching Sumi in Wonderland. If you enjoyed this animal sound quiz battle with Maia and Dada, please give us a like. And if you haven't subscribed to Sumi in Wonderland, don't forget to subscribe. 遊びの中で英語を覚えていくチャンネルです。ぜひ通知ベルのボタンをオンでチャンネル登録をして最新の動画をチェックしてくださいね。See you next time!